in the heats is drawn in lane number 6. Purma Raju, the experienced, in 7, and Shubha Venkateshan in 8. Aishwarya Mishra, the record holder, is not here in the fray. That's a bit of a surprise for me. Rajdeep Kaur, Vidya Ramraj, 53.31 at the Open 400 in Thiruvananthapuram in March 2026. The women's 400 meters final, the qualifying mark, 51.36. They now set off here the first 20 odd meters, unlike the 100 meters where you have no semblance of a chance for recovery. You got that bit of a time, but once you do manage to cling on to that lead, you don't snap it away. You got to make sure that you run in the respective lanes. You also got to make sure that you don't infringe on that track out there to be in trouble at the far side now, onto the bend that they are now going to come up at the home straight. Vidya Ramraj in 4, all 8 of them in the fray. Vidya Ramraj, it is, of Tamil Nadu, surely the strongest of the girls out here. Ansa Babu had a good time, but look at that lead out here. Look at that lead in the 400 meters. She romps home. She romps home. She is in a bit of trouble, a bit of pain, as the word would be, but takes it away finally in lane number 4. That's the girl who was the favorite to me. Bib number 584, Vidya Ramraj, the sister of Nitya. And she representing Tamil Nadu. She takes the 400 meters in absolute great fashion. Wonderful start for her. We had seen Prachi, Vijay Kumari, Ansa and Rajdeep Kaur. But then at the back straight, I thought that Vidya Ramraj decided to pull away from the rest of the field. Then at the 200-meter mark, although in the outside, Shubha Venkateshan of Tamil Nadu was looking strong. And then towards the 100 meters, this is where at that stage, where we still see Shubha Venkateshan, although it can be a little dicey to know, on the bend at the far side. But look at this position here, in lane number 4, Vidya Ramraj. She's into her own world. And look at that gap in the 400 meters. She's like my favorite, Sydney McLaughlin, also Femke Bol of the Netherlands, the 2 wonderful girls in the world stage. This girl in the lineage of some of the big names in India, P.T. Usha, Shiny Wilson, Vandana Pai, Vandana Shanbag, K.M. Binamal, and Vidya Ramraj, 52.